The world we live in today has changed at a very fast pace. From cradle to grave, everything has seen a shift and is more advanced than the previous day. In much the same way, advancements in the medical field have also transformed healthcare systems all over the world. We seldom realize how much better our healthcare system is than in the past. In fact, no other field has made such advancements as the medical field has. What we thought was impossible in the past is now happening every day and we didn't even notice them at all. Each year, there are many breakthroughs in medical science that play a vital role in shaping our society and healthcare systems. In today's video, we are going to talk about the top 5 medical breakthroughs of 2022 that you won't believe until you experience them with your own eyes. So, if you are interested in medical research, then stick right to the video and don't miss any portions. Also, if you are new to the channel, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. That way, you won't miss any future videos we upload. Getting back to the video, let's start with the number 1 medical breakthrough of 2022. 1. Paralysis treatment. Perhaps one of the biggest medical breakthroughs of 2022 is the brain-computer interface technology for paralyzed people. Researchers have implanted brain-computer interface technology to help paralysis sufferers regain motor control and mobility. The device collects movement impulses from the brain and decodes them into movement commands using implanted electrodes. It has been demonstrated to restore voluntary motor impulses in individuals suffering from severe paralysis caused by brain, spinal cord, peripheral nerve, or muscle malfunction. In this situation, electrodes will be attached to limbs and other body parts outside the body to transmit the brain movement signal, allowing the patient to regain control of their primary body parts. Even though interface technology is still in its early stages, the FDA has called the implantable a breakthrough device, which shows how important it is to get this one-of-a-kind technology to the best price point. 2. The next generation of mRNA vaccinology. Thanks to improvements in the production, purification, and delivery of RNA to cells, it is now possible to make mRNA vaccines for a wide range of conditions, such as cancer and the Zika virus. The technology is economical and only requires a moderate amount of complexity in its production. It induces immunity in an original fashion. Also, the start of the COVID-19 pandemic showed that the world needed to make a vaccine quickly that could be used all over the world. It took less than a year to design, produce, get approval for, and deploy an effective vaccination against COVID-19. This was made possible by earlier research that paved the way for this technology. This technology could be used to quickly and effectively treat some of the most difficult diseases. 3. Type 2 diabetes drugs. Diabetes disrupts the way in which the body converts food into energy, impacts the lives of 1 person in every 10 people in the United States alone. One prospective treatment is a glucose-dependent insulinotropic polypeptide, GIP, and glucagon-like peptide receptor agonist, GLP-1, that is administered intravenously once every 7 days. The goal of this treatment is to maintain normal blood sugar levels. When GLP-1 and GIP receptors are injected under the skin after a meal, the pancreas makes insulin and the hormone glucagon is blocked. This makes it less likely that blood sugar levels will rise quickly. In addition to this, it slows digestion, which causes people to feel full for a longer period of time and to eat less as a consequence. In type 2 diabetes patients, the medication has been shown in late phase 3 clinical trials to considerably lower hemoglobin A1c levels and assist in weight loss. So, this treatment has the potential to be the most effective treatment ever made for diabetes and obesity. 4. Breakthrough treatment of depression. Up till now, the most common treatments available for major depressive disorder are psychotherapy and antidepressant medication. However, there are some women who do not respond to these treatments. Recently, the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, gave its approval to a medication that involves intravenous infusions and is particularly developed to treat postpartum depression. A neurosteroid is used in this new treatment, which is given continuously for 60 hours. The goal is to change how the brain reacts to stress. This therapeutic concept breaks new ground since it focuses on the signaling that is expected to be lacking in hormone-sensitive postpartum depression. In addition to this, it appears that the benefits of this medication may be seen relatively rapidly, although the benefits of regular antidepressants often take between 2 and 4 weeks to become noticeable. An expedited treatment choice would represent a significant advancement for women who suffer from this illness, which is frequently disregarded. 1. Early detection of prostate cancer. Prostate cancer is the most frequent kind of cancer diagnosed in males in the United States. The detection of recurrences, as well as the stage of the illness and the localization of the tumor, are all dependent on accurate imaging. PSMA is a possible biomarker for prostate cancer since it is an antigen that is present in high amounts on the surface of prostate cancer cells. PSMA PET scans involve the attachment of a radioactive tracer to PSMA proteins by the use of a radioactive tracer. These scans, together with CT or MRI scans, are then used to visualize the location of prostate cancer cells. When compared to the usual imaging methods of bone and CT scans, this technique demonstrated a significantly enhanced accuracy in identifying prostate cancer metastasis. In this way, with this medical breakthrough, prostate cancer can be treated in a targeted manner using stereotactic body radiation treatment, surgery, or systemic therapy in a tailored manner if it is found early by PSMA PET scans and brought to the attention of a medical professional. That's all for today's video, guys. What medical breakthrough do you find most fascinating and interesting? Tell us about your views in the comment section, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. See you in the next video. Cheers.